Shut your ass up. Yeah, you scared, ain't you? I'd be scared too if I was walking around looking like a mustache. Yeah, just calm your ass down, all that breathing and growling. We ain't about to do a goddamn thing. Come over here, let me holler at you. Let me put these paws to your face. Tired of you making all this noise, all this heavy breathing, trying to alert the authorities. Let's quietly fight in the corner. Yeah, you scared, though.